Welcome to the future of contact management with Wise Agent's revolutionary advanced contact filters. In the dynamic landscape of real estate, staying ahead requires more than just organization. It demands precision. Wise Agent's cutting-edge platform empowers you to navigate through your contacts with unparalleled ease and efficiency. Picture a world where your contacts are not just stored, but strategically managed to enhance your workflow. With Wise Agent's advanced contact filters, you're no longer sifting through a sea of data, you're orchestrating it. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting, these filters redefine the way that you interact with your contacts. It can be overwhelming to open your contact list and see hundreds of contacts all at once. The advanced search filters allow you to search for clients by category, rank, status, and by which team members assigned to them. You can even search for them by which marketing program you have added them to. If you're using our MailChimp, BombBomb, or Constant Contact integrations, you can find them by using these dropdowns. If you select the Additional Fields dropdown, you can view contacts that do not have a status or rank. You can even find contacts by the search criteria that you added in their contact summary. From the Search Group dropdown, you can see contacts who have responded to your messages as well as those who have not. You will also be able to see if any duplicate contact information has been added. As always, if you have any questions, please reach out to our amazing customer support team at 480-836-0345. Thanks for watching.